Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to do Arabic calligraphy using a double pencil. It's completely beginner friendly and in fact I created this tutorial especially for beginners. First you'll need two pencils and something to write on. I'm using a small sketchbook but you can use any paper or notebook you have. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm using, just whatever is available to you. Next, we need to combine the two pencils. You can use paper tape, cello tape or even thread to tie them together. Make sure that the tip of one pencil is slightly ahead of the other. This creates a natural angle, ideally around 45 degrees, which is perfect for calligraphy. I've already prepared mine, so let's move on. Now, let's start writing. We'll begin by writing the words Allah and Muhammad using our double pencil tool. Once you've written the words, you can draw an outline around them to enhance the design. You can also fill in the letters to give them a bold, finished look. I'm not filling them in this video, but it's very easy, just color inside the outlines. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more calligraphy tutorials coming soon. See you in the next video.